said, "You think the devil has horns? Well, so did I. But I was wrong, his hair is combed and he wears a suit and tie. He's nice, polite, he'll catch you by surprise. A smile so bright, you never bat an eye." Said she was in a hurry. That's when she met him Sunday walking down the street. She dropped a bag and it fell to his feet. He got down on one knee. He handed her the purse and gave a warning to her, saying this: "You know the devil has horns. He's out tonight, walking round downtown, carrying a gun and knife. He'll fight, you'll die, but you'll see him clear as light. An evil sight, you should know the warning signs."